So this is the PryMAX 2220 watt hour portable power station. So PryMAX sent this to me to review, and I want to show you all of the different features. So it is a lithium ion battery inside, and so I use the included AC power supply to charge the battery. So the connector looks just like this, and it goes in right here. So you can see this says input. So you can charge this thing up using the AC power supply right here. And so that's going to plug into your regular 120 volt outlet, or you can actually charge it using a 12 volt socket in your car. So that plugs into the same port right here. So you have those two options. And in addition to that, you can charge it using, this is called an Anderson connector input, which I'm not too familiar with, but you can hook up solar, and there's actually two Anderson connectors, they call them. So this one's a little bit different. So I'm not too familiar with the Anderson connectors, but those are two additional ways to charge it. Now check this out. So the USB panel right here, these are all different USB ports that can output power. And so what you do to activate any one of these stations is just press this button here, and you get this beautiful LCD screen that pops up to give you all the information you need about the charging status. So I plugged in my phone right here. I've got my phone plugged in, the USB-C port, and it tells me right now that we're drawing 8 watts of power to charge my phone. And so it tells you how much power you have left right here. This is at 100%. And it tells you, and this is really cool, it tells you how many hours are left based on the current load. So I could charge this phone over and over and over for 99 hours. And actually, it's probably even more than that. That's probably the top end of the screen. So, you know, a phone obviously is not a lot of charge, so this thing could charge phones all day long. Now, this is the AC inverter section. So you're going to get 120 volts out of each one of these plugs, and you can draw up to 2,000 watts from this thing at a continuous load. So this is going to be great for emergencies, if you need to run your refrigerator or you need to run like a portable chainsaw. So I just have my drill plugged in here. So right now it's not going to do anything. You just need to activate this section by holding down the button for a few seconds. You'll see that indicator light came on, and now I can use the power tools off of the 120 volts right there. Now, once you start pulling a lot of power out of this, it does have 2 integrated cooling fans that will keep this thing temperature controlled as it's drawing power. So in total, you have 6 120 volt sockets. 3 of them are grounded, 3 of them are not grounded. You have 4 regular USB ports and 2 USB Type-C ports. You have 2 DC 12 volt jacks right here. So maybe for like inflating a mattress, a camping mattress or something like that. And then again, you have the 2 inputs right here. You also have a 12 volt output right here. So for the cigarette lighter type of sockets, you can output 12 volts right here. You've got the other charging, Anderson charging port on this side. And then on this side, you also have an LED light that's built in to the generator as well. So this is a great thing to have for not only camping, but for emergency backups, especially this day and age. Being able to keep your phones charged up, this thing will last you for a long time just with your phones and other smart devices, laptops, things like that. You know, laptops, they're going to need most times 120 volts to charge. So this is a great thing to have. And also for running small appliances and small power tools. You can run even an electric chainsaw with this as well. So that's my review of the 2200 watt PryMAX portable power station.